Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of water. It's all around us, and guess what? It's absolutely crucial for life. We need clean water to drink, grow our food, and keep our bodies healthy. Imagine a world without crystal-clear lakes, sparkling rivers, or even a refreshing glass of water. Clean water is like the Earth's lifeblood, flowing through everything and giving life to our planet. But here's the thing. Our water sources are facing a big problem: pollution. Let's learn more about water pollution and how we can keep our water clean. Okay, so what exactly is water pollution? It's like adding something to water that shouldn't be there, like dumping trash in a swimming pool. Yuck! Imagine a factory dumping its waste into a river. The water turns murky and smelly, and fish start getting sick. Or picture a plastic bag floating in the ocean, mistaken for food by a sea turtle. Not cool, right? Water pollution is a serious issue, my friends. It's like adding poison to the recipe of life. Stay tuned. Now that we know what water pollution is, let's uncover the culprits. First, industrial waste. Factories release harmful chemicals. Next, agricultural runoff. Fertilizers cause algae growth. And sewage and wastewater. Improperly treated sewage introduces bacteria. Lastly, plastic pollution. Plastic harms marine life. These are the main sources of water pollution. Water pollution doesn't just affect fish and plants. It has serious consequences for all living things, including us. Drinking polluted water risks illness from harmful bacteria and chemicals. It also affects the food we eat. Fish in polluted waters accumulate toxins, which we consume. Water pollution disrupts ecosystems and harms aquatic life. It leads to costly cleanups and reduced tourism. These are the serious consequences if we don't act. Section 5. Experiment time. Witnessing pollution's impact. All right, science enthusiasts, it's experiment time. Today we're going to conduct a simple experiment to see firsthand how polluted water can affect plants. We'll be comparing the growth of two identical plants, one watered with clean water and the other with polluted water. For this experiment, we'll be using a common household ingredient to simulate a pollutant. This will help us visualize how even small amounts of pollutants can have a noticeable impact on plant growth. So, gather your materials, put on your scientist hats, and let's get started. Section 6. Gathering your tools. Materials for the experiment. Before we begin our experiment, let's gather our materials. Here's a list of what you'll need. 2 identical plants, 2 identical pots, potting soil, water, cooking oil to simulate a pollutant, 2 clear glasses, a measuring cup, and a marker. Once you have everything, we can move on to the exciting part, conducting the experiment. Get ready to witness the impact of pollution firsthand. Section 7. Let's get started. Step-by-step instructions. All right, science explorers, let's dive into our water pollution experiment. Label your pots: clean water and polluted water. Plant your seeds in both pots. Fill one glass with plain water and the other with water and cooking oil. Water the clean water pot with plain water. Water the polluted water pot with the oil water solution. Place both plants in a sunny spot and observe. Note differences in growth, leaf color, and health. Science takes time. Stay tuned for results. Section 8. Analyzing the outcome. What did we learn? After a week or two of diligently watering your plants, you're likely to observe a noticeable difference between the two. The plant watered with clean water should be thriving, tall, green, and healthy. The plant watered with the polluted oil water solution might be smaller, wilted, or even discolored. The oil in the polluted water acted as a barrier, preventing the plant from absorbing water and nutrients effectively. This is similar to how pollutants in real-life water sources can harm plants and animals. This simple experiment demonstrates the impact of pollution on living organisms, even in a controlled setting. Section 9. Our water, our responsibility. A call to action. Congratulations, science champions! You've successfully conducted an experiment, witnessed the impact of pollution firsthand, and learned about the importance of clean water. Remember, protecting our water resources is everyone's responsibility. We can all make small changes in our daily lives to conserve water, reduce pollution, and make a big difference. Keep exploring, asking questions, and learning more about our amazing planet. Together, we can ensure a cleaner, healthier future for generations to come.